Hello, everyone. Today, for book time, we are going to listen to this book here. And the title of the book is What Makes the Seasons? And as we listen to the book, we're going to pay attention to the 4 seasons of the year, which are spring, summer, fall, and winter. And we're going to listen to what the weather is like during the different seasons and what do kids do or people do during the 4 seasons of the year. Okay, so listen carefully. What Makes the Seasons by Megan Montague Cash. The day began with sprinkling rain tapping at the window pane. Rain has turned the sky to gray. Our snowman friend has gone away. Fresh green leaves are peeking out. What makes this their time to sprout? Spring's mild weather wakes the seeds, bringing showers each seed needs. Spring was here but couldn't stay. Spring left on a summer day. Plants that once were hardly there now have flowers everywhere. Each tree and weed and lima bean shows its favorite shade of green. Why is this a growing season? Plants grow tall, but what's the reason? Plants grow best in summer light, when days are long and warm and bright. But when the summer days are done, the autumn days have just begun. The sun grows dim, the wind blows cold, green leaves turn to red and gold. The colored leaves dance all around. But why do leaves fall to the ground? In all the leaves on all the trees are teeny tree food factories. Leaves use sun to make the food. When there's less sun, leaves come unglued. The weather brought a change last night. Winter turned the world to white. Puffy flakes swirl high and low. Snow makes flurries. What makes snow? In chilly clouds, the raindrops freeze. It's one of winter's recipes. Winter is a time for sleep. Trees are resting, seeds will keep. Many creatures sleep and wait. Winter's time to hibernate. But what controls the seasons change? And what makes weather rearrange? Earth's yearly trip around the sun affects the seasons one by one. In summer, when the days are long, the sun shines down both hot and strong. While winter has the shortest days, less time for Earth to get warm rays. But when you have a winter day, is summer half the world away? If summer blossoms open wide, is winter on Earth's other side? Seasons change 4 times a year. When each one ends, the next one's here. Enjoying changes one by one makes the seasons so much fun. The end. And that was What Makes the Seasons. Okay, boys and girls, now let's look back through the book and I will ask you some questions and you can pause the video to answer the questions. Okay? Now, let's look here. In the beginning, it is spring. What is the weather like during spring? Did you say rainy and warm? If you did, that is right. Okay, now here in this part of the book is summer. Look at the clues in the pictures. What is the weather like during the summer? Did you say hot? If you said that the weather is hot, you're right. Now the next part of the book shows the season autumn. And another word for autumn is fall. Now look at this picture here. What would you say the weather was like in fall? Did you say windy? Yes, it's windy. I see the girl's hair blowing in the wind. Also, during the fall, that's when the weather starts to get cool. As you can see, she's wearing a sweater, so that means the weather is cool. Now here, we see that it's winter. What is the weather like during winter? Did you say cold and snowy? Yes, it's cold and snowy during winter. Okay, boys and girls, now I want you to pick one season. And on a piece of paper, I want you to draw a picture about one of the seasons of the year. Okay, everyone? See you later.